Hi everyone, welcome to Jao Tech, and in this video we'll be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE ICT October-November 2020, the only variant in paper 2, and we'll be looking at the mail merge. Okay, so we're just quickly going to go in there. Um, yes, this is the mail merge. Okay, yeah, we have it here, right? Task 4 mail merge. You are required to carry out a mail merge. Create a mail merge later using the file N220 sponsor.rotf as the master document and N220 rank.rotf as your data source file. Okay, so let's do that. For the purpose of the video, I've opened it in the background so it's easier for me. So okay, I think we have it as a sponsor. Yes, I'm going to open it here. Yeah, this how it look like. Enable editing. Yep. Okay. As the master document and N20 rank.rtf as your data source file. Now, notice that this is in RTF, unlike the previous years that have to do with the CSV. It's still pretty much the same way to go about it. Okay, still pretty much the same way to go about it. So we're just quickly going to do that. We have this here opened already, and now we want to import the N20 rank still the same way you do in your CSV. So I'll go to mailings, go to step by step the mail wizard. Step 1 of 6, I'm starting the document. I'm going to select recipients. I'm going to browse on it, and I'm just going to look for it. Okay, think I've, yep, rank here, and I'm just going to open it. Okay, still the very same thing. So even though it's in CSV, is in RTF, it has already been configured to be imported, so you don't have to fear to say, why are they doing this? One of the common errors students do is that they will send it to Excel and convert to CSV. Please don't do that, because most of the time it might work, but other times depending on systems, you might have issues, and you really don't want to take that chance. So it's still going to be the same thing. Just follow the process, and it's still going to work. Okay, so I'll click on OK, and I can start replacing the first with the first name, the text and chevrons with the fields. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I make use of the shift and the arrow key right and left to ensure I maintain spacing, right, and punctuations, alignment to ensure it is exactly the way it is in the original document. Okay, so I'm replacing the text and chevron with the field called first name. Okay, so click on here, hold my shift and my arrow right. I have here as my first name, family, hold my shift. That should be last name. Add one is street. Add two is town. Post is postcode. Here is the first. That's for first name. Okay. All right, I think I'm done with this. So scroll down. Okay, I see finish here, and which is for rank, fund, bursary, agree, condition. Okay, let's check. Area. I have not talked about area. That's why it's important to actually take note of all this. I've not talked about area. Yes. So we have the first name here, last name, CN, club name, then the area. Yep, area is district right here. So the area is going to be district. BIB is going to be race number. YB, I think I'm just going to move down. YB is year band. CAT is category. Okay, I think we're done with this. And all right, make sure the spacing, punctuation, the punctuation, the alignment, the enhancement in the original master document are maintained. Okay. 27, question 27, replace the test candidate name with your name. So let's replace that with your name. Hold my shift and my arrow right. Enter your name, center number, and candidate number in the footer of the document. Okay. So I'm going to click on insert, click on footer, click on the three columns. Right here will be my name. My center number is AN017. The candidate's number, I don't have, so I'm using the year I'm recording this video, 2023. Now for your name, center number, candidate number, you can decide to put all of them together in the left margin, or in the center margin, or in the right margin in the footer, whichever one. If you want to split it like this, whichever one is still very fine. Okay. So I have my name, the center number, and I have the candidate number in the footer of the document. Save and print your master document. Now for printout 4, make sure you have entered your name, center number, and candidate number on your master document. So be sure to have entered your name, your center number, candy number on your master what document. Okay, so that we're going to print out the master document the way it is. So click on file, click on print. I'm just going to change it to November. Okay, okay. Now, most of the time they may not tell you that you're going to print the merge fields, but when they say you're going to print your master document, if you follow the question, it means you're just printing it the way it is. Okay, so you don't have to make mistakes on this, guys, because a lot of students get to make mistakes because they tend to convert it to whatever, import the rest, just print it the way it is. Okay, sometimes they may tell you to just print to display the merge field codes. Other times they may not tell you. You just have to know or use your discretion to know that that is what they mean. Set an automated filter to select riders who have a rank of 3 or less. So right here, I'm going to click on mailings, edit recipient list, set the filter to riders. Okay, that's raised number. So to select riders, obviously you're talking about the raised numbers. Okay, so raised numbers who have that's less than. Okay, let's look at it. Who have 3 or less. Okay, so they have less than. Okay, 3. So I'm just going to click OK. Oh, sorry, I didn't get that. Okay, to riders who have a rank. Oh, a rank of 3 or less. Sorry, guys. Well, that was a mistake on my part. If it happens, because most of the time I know that usually you're just to print maximum of 3. So if it's more than that, why? So obviously it's rank. Um, okay. Yes, that makes sense. Okay, so this is one of the errors that you're probably going to make if you don't really understand the question. But when you make those mistakes, you have to come to realization that when it comes to image, the minimum or the maximum you to print in a PDF should be 3 pages. Okay, so if it's more than that, you have to go back, try to understand the question again, look at it in a different spin to know which field they're talking about. They say select riders. I was looking for riders. I didn't see riders. I had to look for rank, and that makes it because when I checked the field of riders, obviously they had more than the rain check. Definitely, it could not be that. Although they don't have a rider, but they have a rider number, and I had to look for a field that had that and which was rank. Okay, so place your evidence document a screenshot to show the use of the automated selection method. So we're going to do that. Click on filter, and we're just going to take that right here. Click on new. Okay, obviously this is what they want to see. Okay, and I'm going to paste this in evidence 9. Okay, okay. I'm just going to open the evidence right here, enable editing. I'm pasting this in evidence 9. Paste. Just going to save this to Word document. Save. Click on file and save this. Okay. Merge and print the letters for the selected riders only. So we're just going to merge it. But we can check a preview to see how it looks like. So we have Margaret, Dennis, David. So we're going to merge and print. Okay, so print the result of the merge. Make sure you have entered your name, center number, and cardinal numbers on your letters. This is very important because if you don't have your name and center number, it's not going to be marked. So it's very important that you adhere, and it's written in bold to show you how important it is. Okay. All right. So I have here to be print out 5. Just going to copy it. Okay. At this point, we are done with this. We're done with this. 7 marks. It was quite simple, though we had technicalities in the issue of a filter, but still it was relatively easy for the 2020. And we can decide to come here to check our work to see how well it's been done and to see if our name, center number, candidate number is there. Yes, it is. And the merge fields are there. Yes, it is. And we can come here to have this. This is fine by me. Yes, I have that. Okay, so I'm just going to save the sponsor, click on file, click on save as, and I'm going to save it as a Word document. Click on save. Okay, so it's been relatively easy, and please that brings us to the end of May for 2020 October November. Please do also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more IGCSE ICT practical videos. Bye.